Lecheflan is a traditional Filipino dessert made up of evaporated milk, condensed milk, and egg yolks. It has also a layer of caramelized sugar that turns into a syrup after cooking them together. It is commonly served as a dessert at fiestas, holidays, and other special occasions. It is also flavored with vanilla or key lime zest. Simply add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the molder or llaneras. And cook it over medium heat until it melts into a texture similar to molten lava. Spread the caramel syrup on the flat side of the molder. Let it cool down and set. Make the custard by combining the 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly mix using a hand mixer until all the mixture are properly combined together. If you cannot prevent it from having a bubbles, make sure to set for at least 5 minutes before transferring it into the molder. I'm gonna use the sieve to remove some of the residues and release some of the bubbles, and it turns out into a smooth mixture. This cup is a 250 ml. So pour the mixture to the hardened caramelized sugar. If you want a thicker flan, you can add some more if you want. But for me, I just use 1 cup of each. Cover the top of the molder using aluminum foil and seal it with a rubber band. Pour the water into the pan or any available steamer you have at home. Place the llaneras in a steamer and steam the molder and the mixture for 30 to 35 minutes. Carefully open it and we will check with the use of toothpick. If the toothpick come out clean, that means it's already cooked. See? Let it cool down to set. To serve, turn it over on a plate with the caramel layer on top. For me, I'm gonna remove some of the syrup because I don't want it to be very sweet. But if you are a sweet person, just leave it and serve, share, and enjoy. And there you go! Yum, yum, yum!